2020 Cadillac XT6 Sport. It's driving into a fast-growing segment with class-leading spaciousness, safety, and convenience. It joins the compact XT4, midsize XT5, and the iconic Escalade to accelerate the brand's global growth with a spirit that is uniquely Cadillac. XT6 is for families that refuse to sacrifice style or luxury. It's full of thoughtful details, ensuring that every seat is the best seat in the house. Now, like XT4, XT6 will come to market with two distinct personas, and we call this our Y strategy, which gives our customers distinct choices for a customized appearance and matching driving character straight from the factory. The XT6 Sport models, like the vehicle that you see here, feature more aggressive elements such as gloss black exterior details and carbon fiber interior accents, including optional 21-inch wheels for the first time on a Cadillac Crossover. Now contrast that with this, the XT6 Premium Luxury model. The latest iteration of our Cadillac user experience provides more ways to interface with the system, including one-touch phone pairing via near-field communication, and a new rotary controller with an intuitive jog functionality. But as everyone in this business is aware, we live in two worlds. We live in the now, and we live in the future. Now, disruption for its own sake is easy. It's quite another thing to raise one's hand to create a more livable and sustainable future. We are working to elevate Cadillac to a position we describe as the pinnacle of mobility. Now, what does that mean? It means that Cadillac will take the lead in GM's commitment to a world of zero crashes, zero emissions, and zero congestion.